shitty lighting, shitty house, shirts, nice shirts. You can't really see what they are, but just get it.
What's good, YouTube? It's Damien back with another video, and this one's going to be on my fall-winter pickups. I chose 4 of my favorite items that I picked up and the ones that I have the most to say about. So I'm just going to go ahead and get right on into it. The first piece is from Carhartt Work in Progress. Now, Carhartt's a brand that's been exploding in streetwear, obviously, for the last few years, and Work in Progress is their kind of like European fashion label that doesn't necessarily just have straight workwear. They have a lot of more like tasteful pieces. And this is just a crew neck. It's just got orange embroidery on it that just says Carhartt Work in Progress. I'm super impressed with the quality of it. The embroidery just feels great. Like, it doesn't look like embroidery either. It looks like it was printed on there because it's so fine and so well done. I would compare like the ribbing and just everything about the construction, like quality-wise, to something from like Supreme. I think this was about $100, but it was a Christmas gift. I absolutely love it. I love the way it fits. I got a size large because I don't know, I like wanted it to fit kind of oversized, and I figured Carhartt size large would be oversized on me. This large fits me pretty true to size. I'm really impressed with it. And the next piece is a Fred Perry black taped track jacket. I have quite a few things to say about this, both positive and negative. Positively speaking, I would say that this has great construction, great hand. It's probably a little nicer than something you'd find on like a Nike, like a basic Nike track jacket. But a big complaint that I have, or 2 big complaints that I have. Number 1, the zipper. It's not even a YKK zipper. I don't know what kind of zipper this is. It really feels like something that you would find on like a children's like bag, or like something just not well put together. Very plasticky. It's just not very sturdy at all. Another thing, the ribbing around the neck, unless you have it zipped all the way up like this, it's just going to like kind of flap. And when you do have it all the way zipped, it is so skinny. So those are a couple things that are negative about it. But overall, I love the fit. I got a size medium, and I was kind of nervous that it'd be too small. But no, it fits me really well, and I'm okay with it. For $140 though, it was a little bit of a stretch. Now, the next piece is actually something I got in a thrift. It's a Ed Hardy zip-up hoodie, and this thing is loud as all hell. It's got the big-ass tiger logo on the back with sequins on the front one also. But yeah, this thing's just littered with embroidery and just crazy details all over it. Ed Hardy as a brand, and the people that wear it have quite a reputation. I chose to buy this in New York, especially just because of that. I don't like to make decisions on especially on fashion, something that's so subjective based on how other people feel about an item. So like, obviously I don't align myself with probably a lot of the people that may wear Ed Hardy, but I think this is super sick, and I'm gonna keep it forever, so that's pretty cool. And then for the last piece, it's a pair of shoes. It's the Raf Simons Oswego's. Oh shit! It's the Raf Simons Oswego's, the 3rd edition, the 2-tone. It's the cream and white colorway. They're a pretty bulky shoe. I got them because they're obviously on that like dad wave, and they're super cool. They were ahead of that, but at the same time, they're like a super futuristic looking shoe. When you look at this, it doesn't look like a Triple S. It doesn't look like it's taking a step back. It looks like something really innovative and cool. Other than that, it's a pretty snug shoe for how wide it is. I was pretty surprised about that since I didn't really size down at all. So I got these off of GOAT, and obviously if you don't know what GOAT is, it's a service that's pretty similar to StockX in that you buy a product off of them from another seller. The seller sends it to them, they authenticate it and send it to you. I got these for, I believe, $295, which to me was a steal at the time. I know they're on sale at some places for like $225 now, but I love the shoe. I saw Pusha T wearing it a lot, but yeah, like overall, just a well-constructed shoe. It's done well for me so far. I need to clean them. That's the only bitch of them, is they're really bad to clean because of the triple white sole. Overall, really impressed with them, really impressed with GOAT. The service was super fast, and I got everything on time and exactly how it was described, so that was really nice. Let me know what your guys' experiences were with GOAT, and then what you guys think of the shit I picked up. Catch you guys soon.
Flexing like I just got out the gym. Got that you up text and she said she gon' bring some friends, yeah. Suck me till I'm done, till I'm dead, till the end, yeah. Suck me in my bands, I don't want you use your hands, yeah. Suck me till I wanna pull my pants up. Pull up in the coupe, load the sticks and give them cancer. I'm the hardest out, I know the questions and the answers. You can't catch me lacking, I can never get a chance up. Young, rich and handsome, diamonds on that panda. Shooters on alert, I might have to call her Amber. Smoking on the flowers that they gave to Black Panther. Yes, I'm Lil Danny and I need a cop of Phantom.